Doug here with another drive-through campground review. It's the Ocean Waves Campground here on the Outer Banks, near Rodanth, or Island Waves, or Waves. I've got to look it up on the map, honestly. My wife picked it. It's about 15 miles south of the Oregon Inlet Bridge. On our right is the check-in. I haven't been in the store yet, but they got ice. There's a little pool. Kind of looks like an above-ground pool where they put a deck around it, but there's some people in it. It's a nice way to stay clean with young kids. Right up here on the right is one of 3 bathhouses. On the left, I assume is probably the owner's place. Nice little beach house. Nice way to make a living, I guess, on a campground. You get a beach house and steady income. There's just a little loop here where there's some inside parking in the loop on the left here. Back to back, kind of offset back end spots. I don't believe there are any pull-through spots here, but it's $52 a night, and it has water, sewer, and electric, which is nice. It looks like 30 and 50 amp. There's a second bathhouse here on the left. And we're gonna be stuck for a second here. But it's not a huge place. I'm not sure how many spaces there are. I'll have to see if I can figure that out. It goes down here to a cul-de-sac, we'll see in a second, where you can circle around to come back. You can drive down and drop your stuff off, which is what we did. We drove down this morning, dropped the tent and stuff, brought the car back, and then walked down with some chairs, and that made it a lot easier. Those beach tents get kind of heavy and awkward to carry too far. We'll see what they're gonna do. Looks like you might be having them go down, circle, come back to back in. So here in this section, it's just a straight shot to the beach. You got spots on the left and the right. Here's the third bathhouse down on this end. Not a lot of shade. You do have grassy lots. If you go to the Kitty Hawk RV park, it's all sand. A little bit of grass up towards the main highway, but it's all sand. Of course, like many of these, you can't use any mats or anything on the grass. They don't want you killing the grass, which that's understandable, but you know, it's kind of damp here. It's a week after the hurricane went through, so it's a little wet. Here's the beach access. You got some tent sites down here. I don't know how people do it in the heat. It's about 75 at night right now here in September, but that's the trail on the right. Beach access just through that last dune was the access to the beach. We got several dumpsters placed. There's recycling. It's pretty decently set up. I don't think they have anybody that comes around and gets your trash or anything, but at least you don't have to go too far to get the trash. We'll drive on around. They're flagging us around. Get out of this guy's way. So we're just headed back out, and we came in from the left here. This, I said there's a little loop with the inside, and we'll go back up. And on the right side, on the outside here on the right, you do have some more. Where on the other side of the loop there weren't any on the outside. Just a little strip of land that somebody has a decent little RV park on. Probably a maintenance shed there. It's a ginormous camper. I don't know what you could put in that thing or that trailer. Never seen one that size. So that's it. This, small place, straight shot back to the dunes from number 12. So pretty nice setup here. We're liking it so far, and not much in amenities or whatever, but we just came for a couple days, get on the beach, and we'll go look around. Hatteras probably tomorrow. Hit a seafood restaurant, typical beach stuff.